Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Aditya, and guess what I found on my shelf today? My pocket knife. Pretty cool, huh? No, I'm just kidding. It's not a real pocket knife. It's actually my fake pocket knife, I call it, because I got it from Sunsplash with my friends, and yeah. And you can tell it's kind of plastic. It's like you can break it right now. Like, see? Yeah. And it's actually a cone. Oh, yeah. Kind of a broken down cone, actually. See, yeah. Cool thing about it is it has like a safety. See, if I go up, it won't work. Well, yeah, it won't work, yeah. But if it goes down, boom. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And, yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.